If your gamepad feels slow or delayed in Chrome, this quick guide will help you speed things up and reduce input lag. We're going to turn on the right Chrome performance settings, adjust a couple of hidden flags, and then I'll show you the best connection method for the lowest latency possible. If this video helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. First, let's improve Chrome's graphics performance. If Chrome's graphics settings are misconfigured, your inputs can feel sluggish because the browser is not using your hardware efficiently. To fix that, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome and open Settings. On the left-hand side, click System. In this menu, find the option that says Use Hardware Acceleration when available, and turn it on. This allows Chrome to offload more work to your graphics card, instead of relying too much on software processing. After you switch it on, click Relaunch so Chrome can restart and apply the change. Once Chrome opens again, we'll go one step further with Chrome flags. These are experimental settings that can improve frame rendering and help reduce visual response lag. To access them, type Chrome://flags into the address bar and press Enter. At the top of the page, use the search bar to find GPU Rasterization. Change that setting from default to enabled. This tells Chrome to use your graphics processor for rendering more complex browser elements. Next, search for zero-copy Rasterizer. Change that option to enabled as well. This helps stream raw raster buffers directly to GPU memory and can remove extra processing delays. After both settings are changed, click the blue Relaunch button at the bottom of the screen so the browser can restart with the new performance settings. Now let's talk about the biggest improvement for gamepad gaming in Chrome, your controller connection type. If you're using Bluetooth, that wireless connection can introduce extra buffering and delay, especially on some PCs and Chromebooks. For the fastest and most reliable input response, disconnect Bluetooth and connect your controller directly with a USB cable. A wired connection greatly reduces latency and gives you a more immediate response when pressing buttons, moving sticks, or reacting in fast-paced games. In many cases, this can make the experience feel much smoother and more consistent than wireless input. So the full setup is simple. Enable hardware acceleration, turn on the two Chrome flags for faster rendering, and use a wired USB cable for your controller whenever possible. Those three changes can make a noticeable difference in how responsive gamepad gaming feels inside Chrome. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.